So, I need some spacer. Yes, I can go buy, but I don't want. I have many parts in my garage, many steel, any kind. So what I need? Look, this hub have 2 holes, so I can and I have these bolts. Okay, see? It's much more bigger. Why? I need some plate to this, and I will put it up. What do you think? This bolt for 24. How I will? No, it's okay. And I will turn this knot. Yes. Okay, now I will cut the part of this and will use it. I think it will the best. Okay, let's make it and let's try it. First I will make the holes. Ah! Huh? Where you? Look, I have 2 bearings that will fit. This bearing is from this, okay? So I want this has inside 60, I think 16, 67. It's not coming, but little. I need to little cut it, okay? And after that I can use it. So now I will cut on this and by this. Yes, by middle. Will on this side. Yeah. I make this hole for this spooler that will no moving. Oil. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's broken something. Oh, it's moving. I don't know. What? So strong. Oh, yes, yes, it's coming. I saw it. Yeah, baby, you see this? Yes. Woo! Hey. It's ring from this piston. And this is bearing from, I don't know from which car. And now we have bearing out. So where is the washer? Let's remove this. Oh, you see, I take this, also I put on this position. Understand? Look.